Hi, I want to talk to you today about one of my favorite math subjects, probability. Probability wasn't always my favorite subject. In fact, I used to really hate it. That was because I didn't understand it, nor did I understand how much fun you can have with probability. Let me show you. Probability is the chance that something will happen, how likely that an event will occur. You'll also hear the words odds or chance when it comes to probability. Probability is always between 0 and 1 on the number line. If the number is 0, it's impossible for the event to happen. If the number is half, there's an even chance of the event happening. If the number is 1, the event is certain to happen. If the number is less than half, but more than 0, the event is unlikely to happen. If the number is more than half, but less than 1, the event is likely to happen. Think of it this way. When you ask for something and the answer is no, it's impossible. There's a 0 chance that you're going to get it. If the answer is maybe, it's an even chance. Maybe no, maybe yes. If the answer is yes, then it's certain that it's going to happen. Here are some more vocabulary words that are connected to probability. Favorable outcomes and possible outcomes. As you can see, there's a line between them because really they make a fraction. So possible outcomes means the number of possible outcomes in an event. The total number of possible outcomes in an event. Favorable outcomes is the number of favorable outcomes in an event. How many times what you want to have happen is possible to happen. Take a coin toss, for example. Remember, it can only be heads or tails. I'm picking tails today. Let's do the math. On a coin, there are 2 possible outcomes, heads or tails. There's one favorable outcome, the one that you chose before the coin was tossed. So the fraction becomes 1/2. Let's look at our number line. 1/2 is right in the middle. There's an even chance. Maybe you'll choose the right one, and maybe you won't. There's an even chance of winning a coin toss game. And now let's take a look at spinners.
I think it's gonna land in yellow. Well, good, because blue's my favorite color. Let's see.
Who's probably going to win this spinning game? And why do you think that's true? Let's look at yellow. There are 4 possible outcomes. 1 blue and 3 yellow. 3/4. Let's look at our number line. Is 3/4 less than 1/2 or more than 1/2? Think about your fractions. More than half. So it's very likely that the yellow is going to win.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yes!
Now that you have an idea how probability works, let's have some fun.
Let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love and live while we're young.
A singing cat. I'm gonna be rich. Oh no!
In your bag, you know that you have 3 chocolate soy milks, 3 lemonades, and 1 Fix-A-Cat. What's the probability that you're going to pull out the Fix-A-Cat? Let's take a look at our favorable outcome and possible outcomes. There are 7 possible outcomes. 1 favorable outcome. 1/7. Let's look at our number line. Is 1/7 less than 1/2 or more than 1/2? If you said less than 1/2, you were right. It's unlikely he's going to pull the Fix-A-Cat. Let's watch and see.
Oh, it's not Fix-A-Cat.
Oh, that was sad about the singing cat. Let's look at another unlikely situation.
Oh, he got me!
What are the odds that you get hit by a poison Nerf dart and the power goes off all at the same time? Fortunately, we're not going to calculate those odds. What we are going to figure out is the probability that he's going to choose an anti-poison pill from the bottle that he grabbed. There are 10 anti-poison and 1 aspirin. Let's do the math. There are 11 possible outcomes. There are 10 favorable outcomes. So the fraction becomes 10 elevenths. Let's look at our number line. Remember our fractions. Where does 10 elevenths fall on the number line? That's right. 10 elevenths is more than half. It's likely that he will choose an anti-poison pill and survive this attack. Let's watch and see. Whew! Thank goodness he's okay. As you can see, probability can be a lot of fun, so let's take a chance.